Welcome back, students. Again, here we go. Okay, we are continuing with topic 14, measurement and data. Okay, today's lesson 14-5, problem solving, writing to explain. By now, you guys have become experts on how to identify units, what to measure with them, and how to convert up and down on the spectrum. Okay, but now today we're going to do some explaining about why something is greater or why this and that. All right, so you went on a fishing trip with your two friends, Jeb and Ned. Jeb caught a trout that was 5 pounds and 10 ounces. Ned caught a snook, which was 8 pounds and 4 ounces. And you caught a redfish that was 176 ounces. Okay? It's very important to know amongst fishermen who caught the biggest fish. So, just looking at it, I can tell you who didn't catch the biggest fish. Sorry, Jeb. Not today, pal. It's a good trout. Probably tastes good, but still not the biggest. So now we need to figure out who caught a greater fish between you and Ned. So, we've got our chart, right? We're looking at it. Let's begin our comparisons, okay? So, once again, I'm gonna go from a larger unit to a smaller unit. The reason I like to do that is because I don't get remainders, all right? If I divide, and you could, but if you divide to go from smaller to larger unit, you're gonna end up with remainders, and you gotta figure out, you're just adding an extra step, all right? Remember, we're trying to make it as easy as possible. So, I'm going to go from large to small. Therefore, the operation I do is multiply. Good. And I know from my chart that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So if I do 8 times 16, right, I'll break this up. 8 times 10, 8 times 6, that's 80, that's 48. That's 128 plus the additional 4. This snook is 132 ounces. Congratulations! You are the best fisherman for the day. But just for fun, let's find out how badly you really beat Jeb, okay? Let's do the math again. Jeb, 5 pounds, 10 ounces. Once again, 1 pound, 16 ounces. So 5 times 16, we'll break this apart again, make it easy. 5 times 10, 5 times 6, 50, 30, plus your 10, that's 80 plus 10, for a total of 90 ounces. So now, when you get back off the boat and they ask you, who got the biggest fish? How do you know? Instead of doing that old fisherman thing where you talk about how big it is, you can mathematically explain by converting and comparing that you indeed had the best day on the boat. See ya.